Today I'm going to be reviewing Ljnyiwan's Party Light, DJ Disco Party Light, whatever you want to call it. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me review. This is what it looks like. I'm going to show you on the back. Now you got different modes, but what's really nice is it's sound activated. So it's going to change, see how it changes when you do different things, and then it has different patterns and different speeds. It's going to change. There's that. And then look at this mode right there. So there's that. So it hears me speaking. So it moves to different sounds. Now there's that. Not very big at all. Here's my hand. When it's shut, this is what it looks like. You can actually just go like this. It is plastic. It's all plastic. I want to manage expectations. So there it is up close. And it does pretty well. 4.4 stars, 1,168 reviews. And last month, 100 plus of these were bought. So it does real well. I think it's just important when you're showing these off that you manage expectations. It's just USB to there and a mode. So nothing to it. Doesn't feel substantial, just plastic. But it's a pretty cool package. I mean, for the price, it's not that expensive. Make sure there's no coupons you're checking for that. I'd say I like this. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.